In this video, you can see that when we click the Add Data button, the page is reloaded and then the data appears in the report. But we can also do this without reloading the page. Let's see how we can do that. First, I will disable the processes that we created in the previous video. Then I copy the same code from the Add Collection Data process. Next, I right-click on the Add_Data button and create a dynamic action. I name it Add Collection Data. And inside the action, I paste the same code. In the Items to Submit section, I add the page items. Then I create another action to clear the items. Finally, I create the last action to refresh the report. Now I will add new data. You can see that the data is added without reloading the page. I am adding another row. Okay, this one is also saved. The data in the report is not in order. Now I will use order by to sort it. This line sorts the data by SEQ_ID in ascending order, so the rows appear in the order they were added. SEQ_ID is the unique number for each row in an AJAX collection. It is automatically generated when a row is added, and it works like a primary key for the collection. Now we can see that the data is correctly ordered.